Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use ChatGPT with Canva for designs in 2025. Now this combo is perfect if you want to create professional designs faster. ChatGPT is going to help you with the ideas and text while Canva is going to turn them into visuals. So let's go through the full process together. First of all, you need to come here on ChatGPT. Then you need to log in here if you already have an account. But if you don't have it, you can just simply sign in here absolutely for free with the help of your email address. Now, this is going to be the section where you just have to start typing the prompt on the topic that you want. For example, let's say I gave it this prompt, which is give me 5 Instagram post ideas for a fitness brand. If I hit enter, it is going to take some time and almost instantly it is going to give me the content topics, the catchy headlines and the text suggestions. So you can just simply select any of the ones that you like. For example, let's say if I like this one, so I'm going to be selecting it and I'm going to be pressing Ctrl+C on the keyboard in order to copy this particular text. Now if you don't like it, you can also ask ChatGPT to make some changes into the text in order to basically match it to your brand's tone. Now you can also ask ChatGPT to write the captions, taglines or the ad copy. For example, you can give it something like this particular prompt, like write me a short quote for a minimalist poster about productivity, and it is going to generate a clean ready to use text which is going to be perfect for the Canva templates. Now you just have to open a new tab and here in the search bar simply search for canva.com. On Canva you can sign up absolutely for free with the help of your email address. Now here in the explore templates section, you will see a bunch of different templates that you can create. So for Instagram, I have selected the Instagram post, and now it is going to show you a bunch of different free templates which you can basically click on and start customizing them right away. You can also click on the option of create a blank post template, and then you can start giving your text over here. You can choose the elements, text, your brand and a bunch of other things here, and after that you can just simply copy the text from Canva and you can paste it over here. If you like the design once it is created successfully, you just have to click on the option of share in the top right hand corner and download it in your device. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.